Why are you laughing?
So many people have asked, are you single?
Hi everyone. So I'm back with another video, and my sister's going to be joining me today,
Hi.
Anaya. So today's video is going to be really fun. It's going to be a fun segment. I had put up this story of question and answers on my Instagram story. और मैंने ये भी बोला था कि मैं एक YouTube वीडियो बनाऊंगी answering all your questions, especially the most asked questions. And I've not gone through it. मैंने अभी देखा नहीं है, तो अभी I am going to go through all of them with Bebo. Bebo is her nickname. Okay, let's start.
Get the juice out.
So the first question is आपका next project. तो बहुत लोगों ने मुझे ये पूछा है. My next project is Knock Knock Killer और वो बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है.
Watch it!
I'm really excited for you guys to see it क्योंकि ऐसा रोल तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, तो ये बहुत नया है मेरे लिए, and it's a full suspense thriller.
What's your favorite cricketer?
Who's your favorite cricketer, Bebo? My favorite cricketer, I'm a fan of Virat Kohli and KL Rahul.
Are you single?
Yes, I am single.
She is single. Single.
All the singleness.
Single. Hashtag single ladies. Okay, how about this one? Who is your celebrity crush?
My current celebrity crush. I don't think I have a current celebrity crush, but
It used to be.
used to be Siddharth Malhotra, but I think I've started liking Hrithik Roshan more nowadays.
Okay, what is the definition of love according to you?
The definition of love, according to me, is
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
it's I think it lies in the little things. It's about actions more than words, and that's pretty much it. That's love, I think. I don't know, yaar. I'm not the right person to ask.
What's your favorite car?
My favorite car right now is our Audi Q5, but otherwise I'm not really big on cars, but I think it would be a Mustang.
I'm answering this question too.
Huh.
Porsche.
You want a Porsche? Are you gonna buy a Porsche when you grow up?
Yeah, you're gonna buy one for me?
That's so convenient.
Why are you gonna? Okay,
Okay, next. Okay.
next question is, can you be my wife?
I will be Bebo's Valentine, but unfortunately, no one else.
See, she loves me. What would you like to ask your tell your fans?
Where is that question?
Yeah.
वो हिंदी में लिखा है. You can't say it in Hindi or
No, I can't. Sorry.
यहाँ पे लिखा है आप
Let
अपने
us
फैंस
translate.
को आप अपने फैंस को क्या कहना चाहोगी दी. And she's saying, what will you like to tell your fans? मैं अपने फैंस को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहूँगी इतना ढेर सारा प्यार देने के लिए. It means a lot to me and I genuinely really appreciate you guys, especially my fan pages. आप लोग इतना सारा मेहनत करते हो और I really try to see all of it and it means a lot. Thank you.
What quality do you think in your life? In your life?
In your life partner लिखा है वहाँ पे. What quality do I think my life partner should have?
Should be nothing.
What do you mean should be nothing?
Okay.
I think he should be tall.
Sorry to the small dude.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Did
So
you
what
say
did you
sorry
say?
to the small dudes?
No.
Should be tall, should be really handsome और मुझे बहुत प्यार करना चाहिए. अभी के लिए तो ये 3 है. अभी आगे जाते जाते थोड़ा बढ़ते जाएगा.
What's your comfort food?
What's my comfort food? I think my comfort food has to be rice and rasam, home cooked, with some beetroot sabzi side mein.
I'm sorry.
What? Why are you laughing? Ribu, stop. Why are you laughing? I actually have beetroot sabzi. Actually, she's the one who doesn't have it.
Did I tell that's my favorite food? Hey, tell the truth.
What?
Darling, tell the truth.
But that's the truth.
Darling,
I
tell the
don't
truth.
know. नाइंसाफी हो रही है यहाँ पे. थोड़ा इस तरफ जाओ ना, मेरे पे गिरो मत please.
Okay. So, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I think
Can I answer this question? I
Yeah.
think she's an ambivert. Ambivert is a mix of an introvert and an extrovert.
Yeah, because it's based on the situations. Because अगर मैं बहुत close हूँ किसी से और मैं बार बार मिलती हूँ और I'm with a group of close friends, तभी मैं एक extrovert हूँ. But अगर मैं कहीं बाहर हूँ for the first time with people, I'm a bit shy, I'm a bit reserved. I'm an introvert, but only for a certain period of time. फिर कुछ देर बाद मैं ठीक हो जाती हूँ. मैं फिर अच्छे से हंस के मतलब सबके साथ मिलजुल के रहती हूँ.
Wait, what's your favorite South movie?
My favorite South movie till a week back was Geeta Govindam, but recently I watched Amran on Netflix and it is a beautiful movie. तो अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है अमरन तो जाके देख लीजिए. Netflix पे है और मैं गारंटी देती हूँ कि आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा मूवी. It's such a feel good film.
Okay, who's your most favorite person in your life? Brother, you're supposed to say me.
My favorite person in my life. It's my family, obviously. I don't have a favorite person. I'm not answering that question. कैमरा के उस तरफ मॉम बैठी है और मेरे बाजू में बेबू बैठी है. मैं आंसर नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Are you a morning bird or a night owl?
I'm a night owl, for sure. So everyone who knows me, सब लोग जो जानते हैं मुझे पता है कि मैं एक morning bird बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ.
Have you ever had a dream that felt so real?
Oh, I've had so many dreams that.
कल रात ही भाग के आई थी ना?
हाँ?
कल रात को ही भाग के आई थी.
I have, but yesterday when मैं भाग के आई थी, it's not because of a dream. मुझे sound आ रहा था.
Hindi side.
No, it's fine. Yes, I've had many dreams that have felt very real actually. Or actually, there's this one particular dream that I used to have. और वो recurring था, मतलब बहुत बार same चीज आते रहता था. I think that happens to a lot of people. Let me know if you guys
Was
feel
this
the
when
same.
you were young?
When I was young, yeah. So I had this particular dream of this ghost chasing me in the house, and everyone else has just locked the doors and left. So that particular 5-second thing, 5-10 second dream has happened over the course of years many times. It has come back, and I still remember it. It's not a one-time thing.
Do you believe in fate or random luck?
I think fate is very real, but I also believe that manifestation and the energy that you put out into the world plays like a big role in your life and in your future. So yeah.
So someone asked, what is your sister's name?
What is my sister's name? My sister's name is Anaya, but प्यार से सब उसको बेबो बुलाते हैं.
Have you ever fallen in love with someone of opposite gender?
थोड़ा सा like a trick question, but I am obviously going to fall in love with the opposite gender. So one thing is clear for you guys. But no, I've not fallen in love yet. It's fine, but even if I've liked someone, मैं थोड़ी ना यहाँ पे बताऊँगी. मैं ये बताने वाली हूँ. Come to Hyderabad. मैं recently Hyderabad आई थी. I think a month back. Ma'am, I watched Friday Night Plan. It's amazing movie. Love from Pakistan. Thank you. Sending you love from India.
How do you get such a charming personality?
My charming personality, I think it's inbuilt. It's very Why are you laughing? Do you not think I have a charming personality?
I am your sister, I mean.
Maybe you see the window there, I'll throw you out now. Do you have Twitter? No, I'm not on Twitter.
No.
Hi, your height. Guess?
In the comment box. So many questions.
Makes sense. How do you manage stress in your life? I am the stress in everyone's life. What do you... Bebo!
What?
Show apps list in your phone. Can you guys see?
Maybe next.
What's your lock screen wallpaper? This is my lock screen wallpaper. It's an affirmation. दिख रहा है? So that is my wallpaper. Do you know Kabir Singh me? कबीर सिंह मूवी पता है मुझे, लेकिन वो जो मी आपने ब्रैकेट्स में डाला है ना, वो नहीं जानते. what are the changes you found in yourself after started career in acting? I think there are a lot of changes that I have found in myself. अब projects करते करते और acting करते करते बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है from your directors, from your co-actors and just experience in general. तो काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है मैंने in terms of acting and in terms of life in general. So I think I've incorporated a lot. आप एक बार इनबॉक्स में हाई कर दीजिएगा, क्या दोस्तों को दिखा के जलाना है. हाय, यहाँ पे हाय बोल देती हूँ, आप ये वीडियो उनको भेज दीजिए. What's one thing you've always wanted to try but haven't? That's a good question. One thing that I've always wanted to try but haven't is skydiving, trekking on mountains that वहाँ पे Kashmir and all that side. Chopta. Yeah.
So many people have asked, are you single?
I am single. A poster बना के दे दूँ मैं. I am single.
Hashtag single. Get that straight.
Question तो नहीं पूछना है, बस आपसे इतना कहना है कि you are very beautiful. Thank you. Which book is your favorite? मुझे बुक्स पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है. I think recently ये बहुत ट्रेंड में चल रहा था. Verity by Colleen Hoover. और मैंने एयरपोर्ट में लिया था वो बुक. And I just finished reading it, I think 2 weeks back. And it's amazing. It's actually amazing.
Oh, what's your dream place?
Oh, since I've been a kid, my dream place has been Los Angeles, California. So what's your dream place?
I've already been there.
What?
Maldives.
Maldives is your dream place. So you want to go there again? Which was your first series? My first series was this series called Whoopi's World in Singapore. So it had 3 seasons, right? Yeah. So after that in India, my first series was Bombay Bagels on Netflix. You will not believe, but I used to watch Crushed every day when I take my lunch and dinner. Wow, that's the sign of a true fan. Thank you so much. Plan for Valentine's week. I don't really have any plans for Valentine's. बस फैमिली के साथ रहने वाली हूँ घर पे. कुछ मंगाएंगे, कुछ खाएंगे. I was the first to subscribe to your channel back in 2019. Really? Thank you. तो एक्चुअली 2019 में मैंने चैनल खोला था, लेकिन ऐसे कुछ प्लान्स नहीं थे वीडियोस बना के पोस्ट करने की. बट फाइनली आई एम हियर. सो एनीवेज, थैंक यू. There's so many people who've asked me, will you marry me? Guys, socho. No.
Let's take a small break, guys. How about we take a small break, guys?
6 hours later.
I'm the main character. Indeed.
How do you edit your videos with the help of which app? I use InShot to edit all my videos. चाय पीने चले क्या? नहीं, मैं सिर्फ कॉफी पीती हूँ. What does success mean to you? I just want to reach and impact a lot of audience through my work, and I think that's when I've reached success, knowing that I've influenced a lot of people in the right way. Why you cut your hair short? My hair's not short now. तभी cut किया था because I thought नया साल है, might as well just cut it and go for a new look. पर वो तो last year था. Oh. The question is, would you cut your hair short? Not why did you cut your hair short? Oops. Yes, I would cut my hair short. What difficulties you face during set?
That she's missing me.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
Difficulties होती है set पे, but I think that's the life of an actor to tackle everything.
So maybe.
Tea or coffee, mountain or sea? Coffee and mountains. Asking question on Instagram and answering on YouTube. Why? Why not? It'll be a longer video. और सब answer कर पाऊंगी मैं वैसे. Do you have a 6-pack? Yeah. Are you this cute every day or am I just lucky today? I'm cute every day. What?
Ask us.
What?
Ask him if he wants to be lucky every day.
I think everyone who lives with me and stays with me is lucky every damn day. Okay, if you could swap any lives with any fictional character for a day, who would it be and why? I think it would be Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
You kind of look like her.
And how do you tie bun hairstyle? ये इधर देखो, ये देखो, ये जो इसने मस्त bun.
You did this. And now I look like a clown.
You belong in the circus only.
But you should be the clown. I'll be the ringmaster.
What is your pet name? My pet name is Adu, Jaan, Adi,
I
and
think,
Babu.
what is your pet name?
मैं सोच रहा हूँ अपना हाईवे वाला जमीन आपके नाम कर दूँ. कर दीजिए. मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट्स भेज दीजिए. ठीक है. Thank you जी. You're so cute. This has written miss you. I miss you. So those were the questions for today. I tried answering as many as I could, but इतने सारे questions थे तो obviously I couldn't answer all. And this was a fun segment. So I will answer the rest on Instagram. और अगर और कुछ questions पूछने हैं आपको तो comment कीजिए नीचे and I'll reply to it.
Subscribe.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.